Cassie Ventura breaks down under intense cross-examination in Diddy trial. Details of abuse, drugs, and emotional turmoil revealed. The ongoing legal battle involving Sean Diddy Combs has taken another dramatic turn as his former partner, singer Cassie Ventura, faced a grueling cross-examination during the latest court hearing. The 38-year-old artist, who had filed a lawsuit against Diddy alleging years of abuse, was brought to tears in front of the jury as the defense unveiled private text messages and pressed her on the complexities of their relationship. A relationship under scrutiny. For over 11 years, Cassie and Diddy's relationship was a public spectacle, often glamorized in the media. However, Ventura's recent testimonies have revealed a much darker side, alleging physical abuse, coercive control, and drug-fueled incidents. During this latest hearing, Diddy's defense attorney, Estevao, aimed to cast doubt on Ventura's claims by highlighting her continued involvement with Combs despite the alleged abuse. Estevao opened her cross-examination by asking Ventura why she kept coming back to Diddy over the years. This question was followed by the presentation of intimate text messages exchanged between the two. One message, reportedly sent by Ventura, read, "I'm a very lucky woman," seemingly contradicting the image of a toxic and abusive relationship. The defense strategy was clear: to question Ventura's credibility and paint a picture of a consensual, if not affectionate, relationship. However, as Estevao continued, the tone of the text shifted. Another message from Ventura expressed emotional distress. "I haven't talked to you at all. I know you can take 3 minutes out of your day to talk to me and you don't even try." The court listened as the attorney read aloud more text that portrayed Ventura as emotionally dependent, desperately seeking Diddy's attention. Graphic messages and emotional breakdown. The cross-examination took a more invasive turn when Estevao began reading explicit messages sent by Ventura. One text stated, "I'm always ready to freak off all," followed by a series of graphic messages too explicit to detail in full. The public display of these intimate communications proved overwhelming for Ventura. Her composed demeanor began to crack as the personal nature of the questioning escalated. Unable to hold back tears, Ventura requested a break from the proceedings. The judge granted a recess, allowing her a moment to regain her composure. The emotional intensity of the moment underscored the personal cost of the legal battle she is waging against her former partner. Testimony on Diddy's drug use. Beyond the personal messages, Ventura's testimony also shed light on Diddy's alleged substance abuse. She claimed to have witnessed him suffering from opioid withdrawals, particularly after what were known as freak-off parties. According to Ventura, these parties were notorious for their hedonistic excesses, often involving heavy drug use and other illicit activities. "He would be irritated, his mood would go up and down," Ventura recounted, describing the aftermath of Diddy's drug binges. She openly referred to him as an addict, a statement that could carry significant weight in the trial as prosecutors build their case against the hip-hop mogul. The charges against Diddy. Sean Diddy Combs faces multiple serious charges, including sex trafficking, racketeering, and engaging in prostitution. The allegations suggest a long-running pattern of criminal behavior, using his influence and power in the music industry to exploit vulnerable individuals. Despite the gravity of these charges, Diddy has pleaded not guilty. His legal team has focused on undermining the credibility of accusers like Ventura, arguing that continued personal and professional ties with Combs contradict claims of abuse and coercion. Public and legal repercussions. The trial has captivated public attention, as each hearing reveals more shocking details about the private life of one of the most influential figures in the music industry. Ventura's testimony is particularly significant, given her close relationship with Diddy and her first-hand accounts of his alleged misconduct. Legal experts suggest that while the defense's strategy of using Ventura's past messages may cast doubt in the minds of some jurors, the broader context of power dynamics and alleged manipulation cannot be overlooked. Ventura's emotional breakdown in court could also evoke sympathy, highlighting the psychological toll of the abusive relationship she has described. What's next in the trial? The trial is far from over. More witnesses are expected to testify in the coming weeks, with prosecutors aiming to establish a clear pattern of behavior on Diddy's part. Additional evidence, including testimonies from other alleged victims and possibly further incriminating communications, may play a crucial role in determining the trial's outcome. For now, the courtroom remains a space of intense confrontation, where past relationships are dissected in front of the public eye, and deeply personal experiences are laid bare for legal judgment. As the case unfolds, It becomes increasingly clear that this is not just a legal battle but a reckoning for a powerful figure whose private actions are finally being subjected to public scrutiny.